Starting around the 7th of June 2023, Nexo especially is exchanging at 64 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.01% in truly most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. Nexo has a very complete market cap of $360,630,755 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,920,366 in an unobtrusive manner. This makes Nexo exceptionally positioning at 92 in the digital currency market, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. On the off chance that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Nexo be worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Is Nexo a wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023 in a significant manner? Will Nexo cost for the most part outperform its unequaled extremely high in an especially large manner? These in every practical sense are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo value expectation 2023 as per the Nexo estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Nexo cost is supposed to truly cross a kind of normal value level of 84 cents. The normal sort of least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to truly be 82 cents in a genuinely large manner. Besides, Nexo can arrive at an in every practical sense greatest value level of 92 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo value gauge June 2023 the in every way that really matters. Normal cost of Nexo could go to 70 cents toward the finish of June 2023, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Nexo could sort of exchange around a very greatest worth of 72 cents with the in every practical sense least expected cost of 64 cents. Nexo value gauge July 2023. The Nexo figure for July 2023 expects that the Nexo may explicitly arrive at a most extreme worth of 76 cents with a by and large least cost of around 69 cents, which truly is genuinely critical. Discussing the typical value, Nexo can stretch around 71 cents for July. Nexo value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Nexo in every way that really matters is estimated to in every practical sense be at around a sort of least worth of 71 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The Nexo value worth can arrive at a kind of limit of 78 cents with the typical exchanging worth of 74 cents in USD in a kind of huge way. Nexo value expectation September 2023. The cost for Nexo in September 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 73 cents and 82 cents, or so they for the most part thought, while the in every practical sense normal exchanging cost ought to be around 76 cents. Nexo value estimate October 2023. With respect to October 2023, Nexo generally is supposed to for the most part arrive at least value worth of 76 cents, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. The Nexo cost could fundamentally arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of 86 cents with the sort of typical cost around 79 cents, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Nexo value gauge November 2023. The Nexo estimate for November 2023 expects that the Nexo may arrive at a really greatest worth of 89 cents with a base cost of around 79 cents in a sort of significant manner. Discussing the essentially normal value, Nexo can generally stretch around 82 cents for November, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Nexo value figure December 2023. The sort of normal cost of Nexo could commonly go to 84 cents toward the finish of December 2023, which especially demonstrates the way that Nexo could in every practical sense be exchanging around a really most extreme worth of 72 cents with the kind of least expected cost of 64 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo could essentially be exchanging around an exceptionally most extreme worth of 92 cents with the genuinely least expected cost of 82 cents in an especially significant manner. Nexo truly passed value examination in the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto especially has been fundamentally diminished by 0.44% in its sort of current worth, or so they generally thought. Assuming we look at the sort of current market cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap, all things considered, is likewise down in every way that really matters. Further appearance how, assuming you truly are a crypto financial backer and thinking about what essentially is the Nexo cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Nexo in a real sense be somewhat worth in 2023 in a fundamentally large manner? Nexo truly is confronting an all things considered difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins, which generally is very critical. The Nexo explicitly is down to nearly 4.53% in the truly most recent 7 days, which fundamentally is very huge. The coin by and large is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for especially past kind of couple of days. The coin could sort of have serious areas of strength for exceptionally, however. We don't for the most part imagine that it would a beneficial resource in lovely present moment. or so they really thought. Inside the in every practical sense, most recent 1 month, the cost of Nexo especially diminished by 10.483%, killing an incredible genuinely normal amount of 7 cents from its ongoing worth in a by and large enormous manner. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be a decent certainly purchase an open door for by and large fast venture, showing that Nexo value expectation 2023 as per the Nexo gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the Nexo cost basically is supposed to especially cross a normal value level of 84 cents. The normal most certainly least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to by and large be 82 cents, which generally is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change truly is near 23.51%, and the cost fundamentally flowed from a truly least lovely typical cost of 79 cents to genuinely most extreme normal cost of 86 cents in the genuinely beyond 90 day, exhibiting how Nexo truly passed value examination in the by and large beyond 24 hours. The crypto certainly has been by and large diminished by 0.44% in its essentially current worth, which basically is very critical. Nexo fundamentally is somewhere near 12.98% with the very greatest by and large normal cost of the coin generally was around 67 cents and the especially least in every practical cent. Normal cost of generally was around 65 cents in truly beyond 4 months. In every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking, Nexo value conjecture 2023 FAQs what will truly be Nexo in every practical sense. Worth in 2023, or so they truly thought. The Nexo cost especially is gauged to in a real sense arrive at a greatest degree of 92 cents with fundamentally least cost of 82 cents toward the finish of 2023, showing how on the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically is the Nexo cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Nexo be certainly worth in 2023, which is very huge. Does Nexo essentially have a future in an unobtrusive manner? As far as value, Nexo especially has an exceptional really potential to in every practical sense arrive at new levels, or so they certainly thought. It generally is gauged that Nexo will increment in esteem, which sort of demonstrates the way that the Nexo cost could for the most part arrive at an essentially greatest cost of 86 cents with the very normal cost around 79 cents, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking, as indicated by commonly unambiguous specialists and business examiners. Nexo can truly raise a ruckus around town of the most exorbitant cost of $26.34 till 2030, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Is Nexo by and large worth purchasing in 2023, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking? Nexo's worth most certainly is supposed to by and large keep on growing, as lack will in general basically empower cost rise, in spite of mainstream thinking. If it's not too much trouble, note, there sort of is a gamble to any speculation, or so they essentially thought. Just basically put resources into what you can basically achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and direct the especially most extreme exploration truly conceivable in an unpretentious manner.